Hello there guys, today we are going to be doing the quest Cook's Assistant. There we go. Oh no, curse. Cook's Assistant. I can start this quest by speaking to the cook in the kitchen on the ground floor in Lumbridge Castle. This quest has no requirements. So talk to the cook. Hello, what am I to do? You don't look very happy. What's wrong? Yes. Right. We know where all that is. Right, so firstly, we're going to go downstairs. Over on this table, there's a bucket that we're going to need for the milk. On the table, there will be a pot that we'll need, so take that too. And let's go for a walk, shall we? A run, whatever. So we're going to need 3 ingredients: milk, egg and flour. Obviously the egg and the milk are probably the easiest things to do. The flour itself can be a little bit of a pain in the bum, but so it's having no run. Over here you're going to milk the dairy cow. These. You'll notice that it fills the bucket with milk. Alright, oh, so now we've got the milk. I'm going to run get some eggs. They're just here in the chicken field. Oh, right there, egg. Eggy. Right, so that's the egg. Now just the flour. It's not a long quest or a hard quest, it's just a pain in the bum. Obviously, it'll help if you get all these ingredients beforehand and just talk to the cook and say, "Oh, what a coincidence, I have the exact ingredients you will need," and just give them. But you get that special dialogue if you've already got the ingredients. It's weird, but somehow the game knows you've been looking up guides. Alright, so we're northwest of Lumbridge Castle. Oh, there's a quest. Right. In there. But I'm just gonna go pick some of this wheat. Alright, then we're gonna go up the ladders in this mill. You're gonna use the grain on the hopper. Collect your flour from the bin. And there we go. We'll just teleport because it's easier. YOLO. And just talk to the cook again. wherever the fuck he is. Told to cook. The cook. Here's a bucket of milk. Here's a pot of flour. Here's a fresh egg. One quest point, 300 cooking XP. Not a bad little gig. I always take that mine rune on the way up. I don't know why, but it always adds to the collection, doesn't it? Right guys, so that's Cook's Assistant quest out the way and done with. I can't wait to see you all in the next one.